What makes me feel so hopeful about the youth climate movement is the energy that we all have, seeing everyone here today, knowing that these were like seeds planted for the careers and lives that we're all gonna go on to lead gives me so much hope for the future.
I've just been wowed by the level of expertise and commitment and focus that I've heard young people convey on various panels and in conversations on the sidelines.
I was blown away by the panel this morning of students ranging in age from 15 to 18, and their depth of knowledge, the way they articulate these issues, their understanding of how their input matters to the policy-making process. I wish that all of my colleagues could be here to see this. I wish that every elected official could be here to see this.
Today I heard interest on everything from equitably implementing climate solutions to heat islands in cool cities to the air district regulations that we've been promulgating and more. They are thinking so deeply about these issues and clearly have a strong commitment to taking action on these issues that you can tell this is not just a resume building exercise for them. This is something they're going to continue on with throughout their lives.
Something to think about is how can this group be more impactful at a national level? How can they move people in other parts of the country to make this a priority as well? People need to hear about how this will affect the youth in the future, why this matters so passionately to them in order to put a real face to the issue.
Being in a space where every person in the room cares about exactly what you care about is something that is unbelievably rewarding.
Having this foot in the door to have conversations with very important people, I'm really encouraged to see the change that's going to come from this.